Happy 60th birthday, Tita Daisy. I wish you a good health and more birthdays to come. See you soon!
Happy birthday, Nanay
Oh, 1,
Days!
2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Nanay Days!
Happy birthday,
po,
Tita Daisy! Mag-ingat po kayo palagi dyan at God bless po. Sana po mas marami pa pong birthday ang dumating po sa inyo.
Happy birthday, Tita Days. More birthdays to come. And stay healthy. Always take care of yourself. And that's it. Bye-bye.
Mahal po namin
We
kayo.
love you po. Lonely.
Yoli, I miss you, Yoli, and nobody come and on! Happy birthday to you!
Sayaw.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Coco.
Happy birthday to you!
Oh.
Happy birthday, Mama Days! I love you po. Sana po umuwi na po kayo dito ulit.
Happy birthday, Mama Days! I wish you all the best and good health. Sana makabalik na uli kayo dito sa Pilipinas. See you soon!
Hi! Hello, Ate Daisy! Happy birthday sa'yo! Sana maging masaya ang iyong karawan ngayon. More blessing, good health, and good luck sa birthday party mo. Bye!
Ay, Ate Disi, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday darating sa'yo. At sana parati kang good health. God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Days!
Birthday. Sa'yo ang pagkain. Sa'yo ang inumin. Happy birthday. Sana'y mapusong magaling. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin. Sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy birthday. Sana'y di tayo malasing.
Happy birthday, Ate Daisy! More birthdays to come! Bye! From Bulacan! Bye-bye!
Hello, Happy Days! Happy 60th birthday! Wishing you good health, happiness, and long live! Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo! Yun ang gusto mo yun.
Happy birthday, sister! Sending all my love and prayers. Blessed year ahead. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Daisy. Happy birthday.
Ciao!
Ciao. Ciao. Ciao.
To the shower.
Kong si Fatay.
Okay pa, ciao!
Happy birthday po, Tita Liz. Enjoy po kayo dyan palagi. Ingat po palagi. Yun lang. Kain na po.
Ate Daisy, happy birthday! I miss you! Salamat sa lahat! Ingat! God bless! Mwah-mwah! Birthday na? Okay na? Daisy, happy birthday! Salamat sa lahat! Sa suporta mo sa amin. Pag may kailangan kami, lalo na sa pera. Andiyan ka. Salamat sa inyo ni Kuya Emil at God bless. Stay safe and healthy at more blessings sa lahat sa atin. Love you all. Happy birthday, Ninang Daisy. Wish you good health po. Ingat po palagi. We love you. Days, happy birthday. Love you. Miss you. Happy Days. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hi
Days. Happy 60th birthday. May your birthday be as wonderful and beautiful as you are. I pray to God that each candle on your cake convert into wish, and may all of them come true. Happy birthday, my BFF, my friend, my sister in Christ, and hope all things are beautiful always, because you are a good person inside and out. I love you and praying for your good health and fast recovery. Happy birthday.
Hello, Sister Days. Today is your special day. I thank the Lord for 60 long years of His faithfulness unto your life, and thanks for the gift of life. May the Lord bless you abundantly and exceedingly in all areas of your life. I may not be in person right now, but then my spirit goes on you as you celebrate your 60th birthday. Be passionate to serve the Lord as long as you live. Once again, happy 60th birthday, my BFF Days. God bless you.
Aido, happy 60th birthday. Welcome to Senior Citizen Privilege. Congrats ha, 6 decades of amazing adventures, memorable moments, and challenges. Ikaw si baby girl mo eh. Kahit anong problema, kayang-kaya mo, kaya relax ka lang, di ba? Alam ko yan kasi masayang kang tao. And then, sabi nila, age is just a number. Totoo naman talaga yan. Kasi, especially kapag ganyan nagkakaedad tayo, yan talaga ang paniniwalaan natin, di ba? So, anyway, you're still young. You have a lot of chance to do everything you want. But always be sure that every inch of your move has a good purpose. Hindi na tayo bumabata, kaya alam mo, enjoy your life lang and make the best out of it. Wish ko lang talaga sa iyo good health, especially pati yung family mo. Happy birthday do. I miss you. God bless you. Bye.
Hi Tita, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Good health, long life, and many more blessings to come. Thank you for the love, and I know you considered me as your anak-anakan, and ako yung ampo ng Andal Mateo family. So dahil special tong araw na to at ayaw ko mamiss, so lumipad ako from Alberta down here to Toronto just to celebrate with you. So let's enjoy the day, and again, happy birthday. I love you, Tita. God bless.
Hi Days! Happy birthday sa'yo! Good health and God bless! Kita-kits na lang pag-uwi mo. Ingat ka lagi!
Hi. Good day everyone. I'm here just to greet the celebrant, Sister Days. Happy birthday. Paano ba yan sis? 60 ka na. Ako nga 73 na going to 74 na. But in your side, you're still beautiful as ever. Especially in the sight of your husband, Brother Emil. A very good husband in the father of your family. In behalf of the church and my family, we are extending our gratitude for your generosity. You know what I mean? So, I thank God for your life. Thanks God for what He has done in your family, being together there in one place already, enjoying the life of abundance. So we can say that, see what the Lord has done in your life, in your family. God is always good to those who are faithful to Him. Yes, I really believe that with God, everything is possible. Although all of us have experienced some struggle in life, but the victory is ours. For the children of God, the victory is ours. Believe in that. So, yun lang. Wala na akong masabi. Enjoy your day. Enjoy as we grow old, we must enjoy life. Be more beautiful than ever. Yes. Be more beautiful. Be more conscious in your beauty, Sister Days. So that everything is well. Bye-bye. And again, happy birthday. And regards to every one of you there. Enjoy your day as you celebrate Sister Day's birthday. Babu.
Days, happy birthday. I wish you good health and live your life to the fullest and stress-free life. Hope to see you on our next reunion.
Hi Days! Happy 60th birthday! Kamusta ka na? Ito tayo, tumatanda na. Mga senior na tayo. Kamusta na ang iyong operation? Everyday kitang pinagpipray kay Lord. Laban lang tayo Days. Katulad din naman ng anak ko hanggang ngayon. Sige pa rin. Gagamot pa rin siya lifetime. Yung kidney transplant niya. Thank you nga pala sa financial assistance mo at natulong mo sa akin, sa amin, sa pamilya ko, sa anak ko, sa mga prayers. Wish you Days. Love you. Laban lang tayo. Huwag tayo makalimot mag-pray. Nandyan lang si Lord para sa atin. Hindi tayo pababayaan ni Lord. Ano man ang hilingin natin sa Kanya ay pagkakaloob niya sa atin. Miss na ang ating group. The Jubilant Crowd. Pagaling ka Days ha. Love you. Miss you. God bless. And to your family. Bye-bye.
Hello Days! Kamusta? Birthday mo na ngayon. 60 na ba? Pero hindi halata, no? Parang 40 lang. Siyempre, ikaw yata ang nag-iisang muse namin. Hindi pa rin nagbabago, maganda pa rin. Okay, my dear? Hope to see you here in Vegas. Enjoy your special day, okay? Okay, yun lang. Binati lang kita. Sana masaya kayong nagsi-celebrate ng birthday. Bye-bye. See you.
Hi, hello, Mare. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Sana nayari na yung mansion mo dun sa Bulacan para makapunta kami. Happy birthday!
Hi! Hello Days! Musta ka na? Naalala mo pa kami? Sana naalala mo pa rin kami. Alam mo, parang kailan lang, di ba? Nung nasa high school tayo, ang saya-saya natin. Ang dami nating pinagsamahan, mga masasayang alaala. Anyway, happy birthday. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo at more birthday to come. Tsaka, welcome to the club. Pare-pareho na tayo ngayon. mga senior. Pero masaya naman. Kahit papano, narating natin itong ganitong edad natin. Sana tumagal pa tayo at sana sa pagkikita natin, magsama-sama ulit tayo. Happy birthday ulit. Love you.
Hi Days! Happy birthday! I wish you the best and healthy body, and I wish you happiness you deserve so much, and I hope we're bonding together soon, and Edna's coming over here on March 16, so it's her birthday too. So, well, happy birthday, okay? And love you, miss you!
Happy 60th birthday, Sister Days. Praying for good health and wishing you a fantastic day. Thank you for everything. More